everyone, welcome to my channel Dr. Varshni Chitran. After a long time, new video in my channel. Uh, Hello, doctors. First of all the best for FMGE aspirants. All the best. FMGE. All the best. In this video, I want to explain how to plan a day while preparing for NEET PG entrance. Just how to plan a day. Okay. Uh, ఇక్కడ చెప్తాను. Okay, I'll explain here. How to plan your day while preparing. First of all, before starting our day, two main things we have to follow is first sufficient sleep and sufficient relaxation for our eyes and our brain. It's main point. Sleep, sufficient relaxation for our brain and eyes. These two things are very important. Enough sleep is not uh, and sufficient relaxation of brain, it's not similar. Enough sleep is different from relaxation of brain. Okay, so before starting your day or before going to study, before going to start your day, follow this. Have sufficient amount of sleep. It's not a matter of 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours. This is not at all a matter of hours of sleep. If you are comfortable after having 6 to 8 hours of sleep, please go for it. You are studying for at least 8 to 10 hours in a day with consistent concentration. That's enough for your preparation. Don't sit for 15 to 16 hours without having that much of concentration, and you're unable to maintain your consistency throughout the day. That's not useful for your preparation. It's not matter of how long you're sitting in front of your book. That's not matter. It's a matter of your consistency and your concentration for the day. That's the matter. Okay, minimum 6 to 8 hours of sleep is mandatory, but we are lack of time and 3 more months remaining. So my point, 7 hours of sleep is enough. Okay, my point, start your day at 6:30. Start your day at 6:30. Try to wake up at 6:30 because we have more time to study in early mornings. It will reach her brain very easily. 6 to 7. Take a break. Okay. Main thing you have to remember in our preparation is wake up from the bed with good mood, good mind, and wake up in a relaxing mode. Okay. 6 to 7 meditation, brush, remaining, and some prayers or puja, whatever you want to do. So just ఏమంటారు, remember you are believing God for at least 5 to 10 minutes in the early mornings. That will definitely give some sort of relaxation for that day. Definitely, for sure, it will give some sort of relaxation. So, meditation, brush, and a prayer or whatever you call. Okay. Then start your study of 7 to 8:30. 1.5 hour study. Here I'll explain what you have to study in this early 1.5 hour. Medicine, medicine or pharmacology. I would prefer these two, medicine and pharmacology, because these are more volatile and more complicated. I think in my note, these two are more complicated, so I'll prefer medicine, either medicine or pharmacology. For this initial one, early mornings of 1.5 hour, I'll prefer medicine or pharmacology. Apart of this, I'll prefer um, surgery, cancer staging, or biochem storage, biochem disorders like glycogen storage or lipid disorders. I'll prefer um, I'll prefer to study more volatile subjects in the early mornings of 7 to 8:30, or previous day topic. Okay. volatile volatile topics and రాస్తున్నాను. Volatile topics uh, uh, topics repeatedly marking wrong. This main point, okay, 7 to 8:30. Then 8:30 to 9, I'll take break, half an hour of break. Breakfast, bath and breakfast. This is up to 9. Okay. Then 9 to 1. Four hours of study. Plan the subject of the day. Anatomy, biochem, medicine, surgery, whatever subject. 9 to 1. Study your planning subject of the day. Okay. 1 to 2. take 1 hour of break, lunch, 1 hour of lunch break. Okay. If you don't want 1 hour of break, 1 hour of lunch break, do in this 1 hour, do mini test, or we are with you test, whatever, and do any pearls, or revise any short form, uh, short time, short tables, and shortcut tables, or whatever. If you want to study in this 1 to 2 1 hour lunch break, you can please. Then 2 to 5, you have 3 hours of study. We have 3 hours of study. Plan at the subject of the day. Okay. Then 5 to 6 బ్రేక్. ఈ బ్రేక్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్, చాలా. మళ్ళీ మన నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్ అంటే ఈవినింగ్ సెషన్ని మనం ఎంత ఎఫిషియెంట్గా చేయగలము అన్నది ఈ బ్రేక్ మీద డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్ అంటే ఫ్రమ్ 6 to night 11, that study period depends on this break. అంటే don't deviate from your study. Take 1 hour break, it's good, but don't deviate from your study, which will affect your next session concentration. Okay, take break and go for 30 minutes of sleep, or if you are interested, watch a small comedy videos or whatever, but don't deviate from your studies and don't affect your concentration. 5 to 6. Then 6 to 8, again 2 hours of study. Planned subject, ఆఫ్ ద డే. అంటే ఇక్కడ 4 hours, ఇక్కడ 3 hours, 7, 2, 9 hours. మనం అనాటమీ ప్లాన్ చేసుకున్నా, గైనోస్ ప్లాన్ చేసుకున్నా, ఎస్టీఎం ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లాన్ చేసుకున్నా, ఆ డేలో మనకి 9 hours వీడియో లెక్చర్స్ వినడానికి కానీ, నోట్స్ రిఫర్ చేసుకోవడానికి కానీ 9 hours దొరుకుతుంది అన్నమాట. దెన్ 8 to 8:30, 8:30 to 11:30, డిన్నర్. 8:30 to 11:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 3 hours. 3 hours study. Do Q-bank. Okay, do Q-bank. Then 11:30 to early morning sleep. Have good amount of sleep. That's it. This is My perception of how to plan a day while you are preparing for your entrance. మనం ఇలా ప్లాన్ చేసుకున్నా విల్ డెఫినెట్లీ గెట్ 1.5 hours, 5.5, 8.5, 8, 10.5, 13.5 hours. మనం ఇంత అంటే ఇంత బ్రేక్స్ తీసుకొని మనం ప్లాన్ చేసుకున్నా విల్ డెఫినెట్లీ 13 hours of study. So this is my plan of NEET PG preparation. I'll upload this screenshot, this photo shot in my Instagram ID, Dr. Varshini Supran. A small note from my side. From next day onwards, you will get every day one video in my channel. Every day one video in my channel at night 10 p.m. From today onwards, every day you'll get at 10 p.m. I'll upload a video regarding the day topic or high yielding topics of the subject. I'll upload. Okay, thank you for watching my channel.